The All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association has called off its agitation, which commenced on the 1st October 2024 to press for salary hike. The decision followed a meeting between the teachers and Cabinet Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh, who also serves as the government spokesperson. President of the Teachers Association, Peter Thrnyang, stated that during the discussions with the concerned minister and also with the Commissioner Secretary of the Education Department, Vijay Mantri, assurances were given that their demands would be met. However, Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh explained that due to the enforcement of the Model Code of Conduct for the Gambegre by-election, the government had been unable to make an official announcement. The Teachers Association has decided to suspend its 21-day protest and Malki Grounds Shillong, but will keep a close watch on the situation until the government fulfills its promises.
Hadirin nagaling Juli Pinangkai SSA na ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association nila siyong hangtay Malki Playground nado kasi tarik jong Oktober hado kan kasngi. Tihakan kasngi ka pa arpoi jong bunai Oktober na kali gaga sarkar kalak khot yangi bangwan ekren but bani panbej halor kani ka jingsyong kalai mungor ka jongi ka bangim simla bupua ti na kali sarkar hadien bangilaya syong katukan ni but ukon commissioner secretary dekat badikong apren dengdo kibadan kibalayan wan na kali sarkar kala ular scam hangi kini kai baru jangka jela Meghalaya ba kin ay yakin ke enhancement kumbang ila dawa Henry nakadaw ka jingdon jangka nika Model Code of Conduct hapo ka jela nakaliang ka sarkar kamla ban announce kamla ban tertib katnu kan ay lani lanu kan ay ti halor kini nakaling jungi kinoy kai ngilawan hangni bani perkhat kam barki tingis kungu sikadai ba ka sarkar kala sengu kala sangap ya kani kejing dawa kejungi hadu kani ka klimat nakating kadaw nakaling jungi kino yalam juga All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association ni pentip sia kiparani kai bar khoj jong ka jelahi berkoi ba ya menta kejing yaki kejungi nadu kani ka jenmet ngin sange no iswa tat hadu ba ka sarkar kan ayangi ya kejing dawa ka ba ngila dawa nadu ka basdang Henry na kaling sarkar kam simpen urlong yagi katkum bakal kular ngin sawan phai biang syamadan bat bandawai kahok hadu bagin dayo Henry ngikirman scam ba kum bakal kular ting ngisayo yuso ubathyang bat uso jong kajing job